Welcome students, 8th standard, Science, Unit 11, Air. Topic, Nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the most important elements. Animals and plants need nitrogen for their growth. All living organisms, including us, contain nitrogen. It is an essential element present in proteins and nucleic acids, which are the building blocks of all living things. It was first isolated from the air by Daniel Rutherford in 1772. The name nitrogen is derived from the Greek words nitron and gene meaning I produce niter. Let's have a look at some physical properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. So that means you cannot see, smell or taste nitrogen. Let me tell you about another interesting property of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is lightly soluble in water. 1 liter of water dissolves about 22 ml of nitrogen at 0 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen puts off the lightning candle since it is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. It is an unreactive gas. The vapor density of nitrogen is 14 and the vapor density of air is 14.4. Hence, we can say that nitrogen is slightly lighter than air. Chemical properties of nitrogen. We just discussed the physical properties of nitrogen. Now, let's have a look at the chemical properties of nitrogen. When burning an element with nitrogen, it forms the respective nitrides. For example, in the case of burning magnesium with nitrogen, magnesium nitrates will be formed. Can you tell me what nitrates are? Well, a binary compound of an element with nitrogen is called a nitride. Magnesium nitride is a binary compound that consists of magnesium and nitrogen. Similarly, when nitrogen reacts with aluminum, it forms aluminum nitride. Ammonia is obtained by Haber process. In this process, nitrogen combines with hydrogen in presence of electric sparks to form ammonia. For this 3:1 mixture of volume of hydrogen and nitrogen at about 450 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 200 to 1000 atmosphere. In the presence of finally divided ions at catalyst and molybdenum as a promoter is taken. Due to the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen under the required conditions, ammonia is formed. But what happens when nitrogen reacts with oxygen? Nitrogen combines with oxygen only in presence of an electric arc. It is a temperature of 3000 to 5000 degrees Celsius to form nitric oxide. Thus, we can summarize that when nitrogen reacts with metals to form nitrides, when it reacts with hydrogen, it forms ammonia, and when nitrogen reacts with oxygen, it forms nitric oxide. Dear students, learn and write these question answers in your science notebook. First question, mention the physical properties of oxygen. Physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Oxygen dissolves readily in cold water. It is denser than air. It can be made into liquid at high pressure and low temperature. It supports combustion. Second question, list out the uses of nitrogen. Uses of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant. It provides an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reactions. It is used to prepare ammonia by Haber process, which is then converted into fertilizers and nitric acid. It is used for inflating tires of vehicles.